Understanding boil time in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, boil time. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in various contexts. Let's dive right in. Boil is a verb that refers to the process of heating a liquid until it begins to turn into a gas, producing bubbles. For example, when you heat water on a stove, it will eventually boil. Time simply refers to the duration or period something takes. Thus, boil time literally means the duration or period it takes for something to boil. Although its literal meaning is straightforward, boil time can be used in various scenarios. 1. Cooking. The boil time for these noodles is 10 minutes. 2. Outdoor activities. When camping, you might hear someone say, "The boil time for this portable stove is faster than my one at home." 3. Scientific experiments. We need to record the boil time of this solution under different temperatures. There are some phrases related to boil time that can help us understand its usage better. 1. Boiling point. This refers to the temperature at which a liquid boils. For water, it's 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit at standard atmospheric pressure. 2. Simmer, a gentle boil, where the liquid bubbles gently. It's often used in cooking, like, "Let the soup simmer for 30 minutes." Understanding phrases like boil time helps in grasping the nuances of the English language. Whether you're cooking, camping, or conducting an experiment, now you know how to use and understand boil time correctly. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we encourage you to keep exploring and learning more about the English language. See you next time.